Picture this. The exam is just around the corner, and you suddenly realize there's a mountain of material still waiting to be studied. It's a scenario that can send shivers down any student's spine. But here's the thing. Even in this crunch time, effective studying strategies can be a game changer. Yes, my friends, I'm here to tell you that those 24 hours can make all the difference between feeling overwhelmed and feeling confident walking into that exam hall. Now, you might be thinking, can I really accomplish anything in just 24 hours before the exam? Absolutely. While we always encourage consistent and thorough studying, there are specific techniques you can employ to maximize your efforts in these critical moments. So, grab your study materials, buckle up, and get ready for some game-changing tips that will help you tackle those last-minute study sessions like a pro. Are you ready? Let's get started. Master the basics. Before you begin your journey, make sure you have a solid understanding of the subject. Familiarize yourself with the names of each chapter and topic in the syllabus. Imagine you're preparing for a biology exam. Take the time to grapple with the chapters and topics, like cellular respiration, genetics, and ecology. Feed these names into your brain without any flaws. Trust me, this is the fundamental principle that sets the stage for success. Without knowing the names of the topics, you'll find yourself facing difficulties and even getting lost in a muddle of doubts. Prioritize easy topics. Once you've familiarized yourself with the subject, it's time to boost your confidence. Start by tackling topics that you find relatively easy and can complete in less time. For example, if you're studying history, begin with chapters like the Renaissance or the Industrial Revolution. By starting with these topics, you'll gain a sense of accomplishment early on, which will motivate you to take on more challenging subjects later. Identify repeatedly tested topics. To really excel in your exams, it's crucial to identify the topics that have appeared repeatedly in previous exams. Dive into previous year's papers and study guides to uncover these gems. Let's say you're preparing for a math exam. You might discover that concepts like algebraic equations and geometry have been tested umpteen times. Once you've identified these important topics, make them your priority. Develop a strong grip on important topics. Now that you have your list of important topics, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dive deep. Imagine you're studying for a physics exam. Take concepts like Newton's laws of motion or electric circuits. To pass the exam with flying colors, you need to focus on these topics and develop a strong grip on them. Do not settle for a superficial understanding. Dedicate ample time and effort to truly master these areas. Remember, a solid foundation in these key topics can make all the difference in your exam performance. Focus with zero distractions. When it's time to study, it's crucial to eliminate distractions and give your full attention to the task at hand. Imagine you are studying chemistry. Find a quiet space, put away your phone, and immerse yourself completely in the topic. By dedicating 100% of your focus with zero diversions, you will save time and grasp the subject matter more efficiently. Remember keywords and visualization. While studying, it's not necessary to memorize every line of an answer. Instead, focus on keywords and main headings. Let's say you are preparing for an English literature exam. As you read a specific topic, like Shakespeare's Macbeth, jot down the main headings and keywords. Then, create a plot or storyline in your mind that encompasses those keywords. Visualize the characters and scenes in your mind, making it easier to remember and recall the information during the exam. Do not neglect unimportant topics. While it's important to prioritize the crucial topics, do not completely ignore the less significant ones. Even if a topic is considered unimportant, give it at least a single reading. This ensures that you have a basic understanding of the concepts and can attempt those answers if they come up during the exam. Remember, every point counts. Stay calm and confident. As the exam approaches, it's natural to feel a bit anxious. However, panicking will only hinder your performance. It's essential to stay calm and composed. Imagine you are sitting for a challenging physics exam. Take a deep breath, trust in your preparation, and believe in your abilities. Confidence is key to performing at your best. Start with your strongest answers. When you begin the exam, it's a great strategy to start with the answers you excel in presenting. This not only helps you gain momentum, but also creates a positive impression on the examiner. Imagine you are taking a biology exam, and you are confident about your knowledge of the chapter Human Anatomy. Begin with that answer. showcasing your understanding and leaving a strong impression right from the start. Before we get into our next step, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for the best studying tips and techniques. Attempt every question. During the exam, aim to attempt every question, even if you have the slightest idea about the answer. Remember, you might surprise yourself with what you know. Let's say you are faced with a challenging history question about a topic you are not entirely familiar with. Instead of leaving it blank, try to recall any related information or examples you came across during your preparation. This can still earn you valuable marks and might even impress the examiner with your effort. Divide your time wisely. Time management is crucial during exams. Allocate your time wisely for each answer based on its weightage and complexity. For example, if you have 3 hours for a science exam with 5 questions, divide your time accordingly, giving more time to lengthy or high-scoring questions. This way, you will ensure you have enough time to address each question adequately. The last step is to make revise. Do not forget the power of revision. Before the exam, make sure to revise all the topics you have studied. Refresh your memory of the keywords, main headings, and key concepts. This final review will help solidify your knowledge and boost your confidence. And there you have it, 12 effective exam preparation strategies that are bound to make a difference in your results. Remember to master the basics, prioritize easy topics, focus on important ones, stay calm and confident, start with your strongest answers, attempt all the questions, manage your time wisely, and revise thoroughly. Good luck with your exams, and until next time, keep striving for success.